It's so cute. I'm in Asakusa right now. Then in an hour, I'm gonna head to the Gundam factory. I haven't been vlogging much. I'm just enjoying this. And it's too busy. But I'm trying. Prepare for crowds when you come here. Which one should I get? This is a ninja. This guy. Try this. I'm gonna get this. So I can either get one of them. Oh, these guys. Like these are so popular, you can only get one. There's a limit to how many you can buy. Alright, so the boxes were empty, no wonder it's lightweight. But you get this card and you give it to the cashier. It's gonna be random. Thank you. I'm at McDonald's, you know the drill. When in Asia, I must check McDonald's, and these are the Happy Meal. Of course, we're gonna get Doraemon. I hope I get this, or this, or this. And he's cool. Okay. So they also have the Sakura special. I think I'm gonna try this. Okay. And then let's see. I don't know what teritama means. That sounds good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, shaka shaka. Garlic pepper mayo. Not available. What? I'm in a rush. I'm gonna go to Gundam after this. But I stopped by McDonald's, got the cherry blossom McFlurry. Oh no, not McFlurry. Cherry blossom float. People say you come to Asia just to eat McDonald's, but you have to try it. McDonald's in Asia is different. It's way better. Oh, it's so pretty when it's mixed with the ice cream. Look. And then I got the kids meal for the toy, for the Doraemon toy. I don't think I got the one that I wanted, but that's alright. I don't know what Sakura flavor tastes like. Okay. Tastes like strawberry yogurt. Kids meal drink. It's iced tea, I think. Okay, I just got hamburger or cheeseburger and fries. I got this instrument. Does it work? What is it supposed to do? It worked. Oops. I'm gonna quickly eat this burger and head to Yokohama. Yokohama.
Few moments later.
I got sweet potato, fried sweet potato. There's no seating area, but there's a stall where you can eat it. You're not supposed to eat while walking. You can get arrested. I'm just kidding, I don't know, but yeah, you're not supposed to eat while walking. It's a little too sweet because of the syrup. Last admission is at 7 p.m. It's 10 minutes till 7. Hopefully I make it. I made it. It's there. That's the schedule. Man, I feel so accomplished. I made it to the Gundam factory. I almost didn't make it by like 9 minutes, but I'm here. I'm gonna check out the merch.